So this is my quarantine nighttime routine. Now I just put on this like fashion. So guys, today I'm going to show you my everyday nighttime routine. Actually, it's every nighttime routine. So this is my quarantine nighttime routine. I just slapped the word quarantine in there because we're in quarantine. I do this same nighttime routine every night, whether I'm in quarantine or not. Okay, so first off, I brush my teeth, floss, do all that stuff, and then I wash my face. I don't really do it in any particular order. I just do it. So, yeah. Okay, so I just got done brushing my teeth and now I'm going to wash my face with this little thingy. So I just use a Dove bar soap. Okay, so I'm done washing my face and now I just put on this like fashion. I just mixed the words lotion and face together. Fashion? Okay, let me start over. Face lotion, that's moisturizing that I put on. And then what I usually do, I have like this oil stuff, I forgot the name of it, that I usually put on my eyelashes. It's supposed to like help them grow, help them be thicker, and I just put that on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. And now I have my retainers that I put in before I go to bed. So guys, that is basically it for my everyday nighttime routine. It should be every nighttime routine. I don't know. It's not that complicated, it's pretty short. I mean, some nights I even take a shower, so. If you guys want me to do a morning routine video, let me know. Kind of been avoiding doing that because my morning routine is a mess. And I'm not proud of it. Sorry about the noise, by the way, the fan's on. And it's cold in here. But guys, I'm going to read a book. Maybe? No. Should I? I might read 2 pages. Not a huge reader, but yeah. It is 10:23 right now, and I'm gonna read 2 pages of my book and then go to bed. So guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye! I'm not even gonna tell you when I get up because y'all probably hate me. So guys, that is it. Can you?
Yeah.
Can you stop? So guys,
Really blow.
are you kidding me?